Casa Goliana Mérida is a restored residence from the mid-last century that embraces the traditional values and materials of Yucatecan architecture while adding modern touches. The 200-square-meter home blends its original structure with a rear extension that provides additional bedrooms and enhanced living spaces. Restoration and extension. Originally, the house consisted of 3 bays that housed the main bedroom, social area, and services. In the restoration process, experts carefully renewed the structure and original carpentry. They preserved the existing doors and windows and reinstalled the pasta floors that had been removed for construction reasons. In addition, a rear extension was added, which includes 2 extra bedrooms, one on the ground floor and one on the upper floor, to meet modern needs. Embracing traditional materials and colors. The project uses a predominantly neutral color palette. White cement and chucum walls and exteriors create a fresh backdrop, while the pasta floors add a unique character. The design aims to evoke a tropical atmosphere through the use of natural vegetation, carefully chosen furniture, and raw-toned wooden pieces. In this way, art plays a leading role in the overall feel of the space. Thoughtful interior layout and natural light. In the first bay, the main bedroom benefits from a corner location that provides privileged lighting. 2 sets of double doors and windows frame views of the outdoors, with custom carpentry regulating the passage of light. The second bay houses the main entrance and living room, where a striking, colorful wooden piece of furniture doubles as a TV console and a work of art. In the third bay, the kitchen is equipped with a chucum and granite island that opens to the terrace via a large ironwork window. This area also includes a half-bathroom and laundry space. The use of regional stone in the floors and the consistent format of the pasta floors tie the interiors to the original design. Connecting indoors and outdoors. At the heart of the property lies a central patio with a pool that winds through tropical vegetation. This green pathway leads to the expansion area, where a chucum facade with pure and simple volume tri reinterprets the traditional proportions of Yucatecan architecture. The expansion includes 2 rooms, one on each level, with the ground floor room offering a direct view of the pool and a small private garden, which adds to the feeling of spaciousness and freshness. A notable contrast is provided by the old stone well, now repurposed as a planter, which along with the original stone wall, symbolically unites the past with the present. A tranquil and inviting environment. Overall, Casa Goliana Mérida exudes tranquility and comfort. The careful choice of materials, colors, and textures creates a perfect environment for relaxation and enjoyment. The project not only restores a piece of Yucatecan heritage but also adapts it for modern living. In short, the home serves as a peaceful retreat that honors tradition while embracing new life, making it a true sanctuary for those who visit.